Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this quick video I'll be showing you how you can register a domain for just $1, and you can register a new website or the domain that is already expired, and your other domain registrars are asking you for a big amount, asking you to pay a bomb to get these domains back. So this is how you can get this register this for 1 year and then transfer it later as per your requirements, as per your convenience. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see on the screen, this is the website I'm talking about. This is one of the most recommended website to register a domain for cheap. So as you can see, right now it is showing as 10, but it is $1 per for the first year. So let's enter the website here. Just enter the website in this search bar here and click on check. And you can see the website is available for $1, and just click on continue. This will automatically add all this web hosting and email hosting and other website services, which we don't really want, so we will go with domain only. And it will take you to the checkout page. Just make sure you don't select an extra item, and always mark on this, because this is a free registration, a private registration, which means that all the website information, the owner's information will be hidden. It will not be publicly available. Okay, and then click on continue. And this is where it gets little tricky, because you will have to enter the address carefully, otherwise this will not let you to go to the final order page and make the payment. So select the title, your first name. I'll blur this because I don't want to disclose my address, but if you really want to know, I live in Dubai, so it's United Arab Emirates, and city is Dubai. And please select the right street. Don't try to enter anything because the website will not take. You will have to enter the address which is recognizable and which is real. So let's say I put Dubai. Okay, I'll select this, and then I'll enter the PIN code, which is 5 zeros, because Dubai it doesn't really have a PIN code. And I'll enter the email address and my mobile number, just in case. 842, and select a strong password, because this is gonna allow you to manage the website. This is the password you're gonna use to log into your website. And once this is done, click on continue, and there you go. Auto-correct it, double check, fine. Looks like we made a mistake, so I'll select Latina, Abu Dhabi, no problem, 02, and I'll try to continue. There you go. So this is called an introductory offer, so this is only for first year. Please be noted that after 1 year this might charge you $20 or $30 depending on the contract. So just make sure you don't forget that, and make arrangement if you want to move this domain from this domain register to a different one, or if you really want to pay this amount and keep the domain. I'll click on continue to payment options, and PayPal. You have options like PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay. So let's select Apple Pay. Apple Pay is not supported on this device, okay, because I have not set up the Apple Pay. I'll go to PayPal and click on PayPal checkout. I'll log into my PayPal account so that I can accommodate. This helps you protect, get it text, okay. It's asking me to verify, so I might get it text here. I'll have to enter this text. So let's just wait until we receive the text. We have received the text, and let me quickly enter this security code to proceed with PayPal checkout. I'll enter the security code and click on this submit button here. you're all set. So looks like our payment is successful. And we'll have to select the debit card to make this payment. So I'll select my existing card that is attached to my PayPal, and let's just wait until this authorizes the card and the payment, and I get that payment successful message. So you can see that it is taking us to the final page from where we can register, or we can access the domain. You can see that our payment is now successful, and this is setting up my control panel for the domain. So every domain register will have a control panel from where you can change the name servers and make all these transfers, or do all that that comes with the domains. So it is setting up the product, and just click on get started, and that's it. You will be landed on IONOS domain dashboard, from where you can, this will ask you to confirm the address. Just confirm this address, and you should see this domain here, somewhere here, once you confirm your email. So go to your email and confirm this, and you will see your domain that you just registered here. And if you want to log in, if you don't know how to log in to this IONOS page from where you can manage it, you have to either enter the customer ID. Let's say if you have a customer ID received on your email, you can enter that, or the registered email and the password that we set up. So that will be your login credentials. Right now I can't see my domain because I have not verified my domain, so my email address. So I'll verify this later, and I'll see this here, and then I'll connect the name servers. I hope you found this video helpful. For more such videos, don't forget to explore our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.